Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, Cest, Pire, Dadditifs, les pains de Cette, clbrechane, Contiennent and tropdesel, Dadditifs, Selon, UFC-Que Choisir. The UFC-Que Choisir investigation reveals that the bread sold by a famous chain contains much more salt than recommended guidelines. Avalanche of non-trivial additives. This is surprising for consumers, as these products are often perceived as simple everyday basics. But behind their apparent simplicity are highly processed recipes, which raise questions about our diet. The investigation found that some industrial breads contain poor quality flours, additives, and even traces of pesticides. This is an alarming reality for everyday products consumed by millions of French people. The analysis focused on 3 emblematic breads: white baguette, whole wheat, and country bread. It evaluated salt content, presence of additives, flour quality, and overall nutritional balance. One chain, La Boulangerie Louise, performed particularly poorly. The excess salt content is a major concern, with a single half baguette providing nearly 45% of the WHO's recommended daily maximum. This high salt level can increase the risks of hypertension and cardiovascular disease over the long term. Many of the tested products also contain technological improvers, additives, and poor quality flours, compromising their nutritional value. Even the whole wheat breads from some chains had a disappointing profile. The findings call for consumer vigilance. The attractive appearance of these breads does not always reflect their quality or adherence to traditional recipes. Consumers need to read labels closely and not rely solely on the brand name or visual appeal. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.